This video is sponsored by Quince.
This looks so good.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Royalty Soaps. Today we're going to make the frosted soap in our Market Day collection. The Market Day collection is already available at royaltysoaps.com. Also, just a shameless plug for our Castile liquid hand soap that we just launched. Admittedly, 3 out of 5 of our fragrances are sold out as the recording of this video has been made, but we are going to be restocking them very soon. And I just wanted to put a PSA for those of y'all who have never used Castile soap before. It is extremely potent, okay? And if you wanted to stretch this soap a little bit further, you could actually add a little bit of distilled water, not tap water, but you could add a little distilled water to this to make it go even further while still maintaining a very cleansing, gentle hand feel. Super soft, not stripping. And again, a shameless plug because I create all this Royalty Soaps soap making content for free. We're basically sponsored by Royalty Soaps. You guys know I don't have Patreon. I don't do channel subscriptions. I'm not gonna make you pay to watch the content. So again, shamelessly, this is incredible hand soap. In my opinion, and I am biased, I understand, but I'm also a connoisseur of these things. It's the best one on the market. So there's that. And without further ado, let's whip up some frosted soap.
Well, folks, in a truly rare turn of events, I was actually sick when I filmed this video, so I'm going to be doing a voiceover today, and I have a lot of fun things that I want to talk about. So I hope you have a cup of coffee, maybe a little snack, because we're gonna yap. First and foremost, the recipe that I am using today can be found down in the description box below. As always, this is going to be a 5-color drop swirl. So all of these colors are ones that I use all the time and I'm very familiar with. Some of them are from Nurture Soap, some of them are from TKB Trading, and some of them are from Mad Micah's. I think a floral drop swirl in spring to early summer is just like the absolute perfect way to go. I think it just looks so good with all of the spring decor people have in their homes, or even if it's something as simple as like a fresh bouquet on your kitchen countertop or on a bathroom counter. Like, this is gonna match. It's gonna be good. And by the way, the fragrance blend for this particular soap is really good. It's a true floral, like lots of peony, jasmine, lots of freesia in there. So it smells a little bit like a tropical floral. Now, I have 2 very big milestones in my personal and business life coming up this year. One of them is that Royalty Soaps is turning 15 years old in September. It's like, honestly, it's a milestone I personally never thought I was going to see. So that's going to be a big deal. And I'm going to need y'all's help to plan something really cool and fun. I will probably have y'all vote on some things on Instagram or Facebook and here on YouTube because they have the ability for me to do a voting thing, but just be looking for that in the future. The second thing is that I am celebrating 10 years of marriage with my husband, Caleb, and something I really enjoy doing is planning trips. I love looking for Airbnbs or hotels. I love booking flights. And so obviously I was planning to make a really romantic, super fun getaway for us this year. And as time was getting closer and closer to the actual anniversary date, I started to get really overwhelmed and coordinating with who was going to watch our kids and stuff. I just was like, you know what? Let's call the whole thing off. I don't want to do it. Maybe we can just stay somewhere locally for like a night. We have so much business stuff to do. And I just kind of let it fall off my radar. But secretly, I had no idea. Caleb was planning a vacation for us, and he was doing that with my mom so that on our actual anniversary, when I thought we were just going to go out to eat, he was letting me know, nope, he has planned a 4-night, 5-day trip, doing a little circuit from Boston, Massachusetts up to the Portland, Maine area, visiting New Hampshire on the way. Obviously, I was like flabbergasted and overwhelmed and just so excited. And so now I'm getting to look at all the things that we could potentially do. And I wanted to ask you guys, if any of y'all are from the New England area, specifically in that Maine, Portland area, what you as a local think Caleb and I should see. I am not interested in going to all the places that are Instagram and TikTok famous, where there are going to be cars all piled up so that people can take one photo of one lookout. I'm not interested in that. I'm interested in going on the trails that the locals want to go on for hiking, or seeing things that are important to y'all in that area. I just want to know what I need to see that will have me away from the crowds. I am not a girl for the crowds. So if you have any advice that you think that I should implement whenever I go on this trip, I would be forever grateful. I will be reading all the comments on this video. And if you want to see what we get up to and some more about my personal life, you can follow me over at KDW Carson. A lot of people told me recently they didn't know that I had a personal Instagram. They just followed the one that I had on Royalty Soaps. But yes, I do have a personal Instagram, and I do share photos of my family and us doing stuff. Most recently, I'm going to be sharing a post from my sister Emmy's 18th birthday because her birthday was food themed and we all dressed up as different foods. It was so cool. I made her a cake. It was the first time I had ever made Italian meringue buttercream. Also, this glint glitter, well, that's a tongue twister right there. Glint glitter, so good. I will leave y'all a link for it down below. If you are a crafter, you use biodegradable glitter for soap making, candles, whatever it is, I'm going to leave you a link because this is my new favorite glitter and I've tried a lot. Admittedly, I'm kind of sad that the Market Day collection is over and this is the final soap in the collection, but I have to tell you, I am really excited about the next one. Actually, the next 3 I have lined up are like very close. Like I really resonated with them whenever I was designing them. My mom and my sisters helped me with the most recent soap designs, and having their input and being like, no, let's tweak this a little bit. Oh my gosh, I cannot tell you how helpful that was. Now, these embeds that we're putting on top, these are like classic Royalty Soaps rose embeds. I have been using these probably 10 years now. It was one of the first silicone embed molds I ever bought. If I remember correctly, it's from 𝗓𝗎𝗓. 𝗓𝗎𝗓 still sells a lot of silicone molds, and I can vouch for the quality. It's really good. Again, I can leave you guys a link down below. I know a lot of you are looking for silicone molds to mold things for the top of your candles or the tops of your soaps, and I just really love these. I'm adding 3 per bar, and if you're like, oh my gosh, how many embeds did Shelly have to pour? It was over 1,000. Over 1,000. I'm also really having to hold back right now because I want to tell y'all about the book club that I started for me and my siblings, and I'm just going to have to like not do it. I'm just going to have to hold back because it's going to be so much fun, but I would rather be able to show you guys some pictures of what I did instead of just describing everything. I think that'll be a more fun adventure for you guys.
You guys, this is the 3rd time I have gotten to work with Quince, and it is exciting every single time. For those who haven't seen the past 2 integrations, I have been wanting to work with Quince for years. Quince is my go-to shopping place for all of my basic necessities in my wardrobe. I'm talking all of my signature staples, anything that I would like to include in a capsule base for my wardrobe, which is kind of how I do things seasonally. I start with 3 or 4 core pieces, I add a couple of accessories, and I'm done. And Quince is the perfect place to shop for that. Before shopping with Quince for my summer wardrobe, this is what I typically would be wearing on a normal day. I like to keep it casual, but I'm really looking to sort of upgrade and elevate the way that my wardrobe looks this spring and summer. Quince makes that super easy for those of us girls who are no frills, maybe even no makeup. We just want to look nice and we want to be able to do that quickly. The first outfit I put together with Quince to accomplish this goal is this cute barrel jeans and waffle tank top combo. Now this is beyond comfortable, literally some of the most like comfortable jeans I've ever had. And if you want to take it to another level, I got this belt from Quince. I've been looking for a new belt just because I want something that I can kind of wear with pretty much everything. This belt is beautiful. It is super high quality. It's very heavy. The actual buckle and tip on the end of the belt are substantial. I love the way that it elevates this outfit. I grabbed my purse, I grabbed my sunshades. That's it. And it looks so cute and put together. And girl, if I'm really feeling lazy, for an even simpler outfit, I would go with this second option, which is this adorable red gingham sundress. Literally, it's one piece, like pajamas off, dress on, flip-flops, off to the farmer's market, looking cute. It has all these little buttons and pleats down the front of the dress. It is the perfect length, not too long, not too short. I have worn this out shopping so many times already. It's always in rotation and I get compliments literally every single time I wear it out. And this third option I want to show you is a dress that I have featured before, but I got it in a new colorway because if I could only pick one thing to get from Quince, I would buy this dress. I think it is so universally flattering on so many different body types. I love the back. I love how you can adjust it to give it a higher or lower neckline. It has pockets. It is a perfect midi length. So easy to dress up or down. You could tie a little cardigan around it for a little New England summer moment. I quite literally will never shut up about Quince. I said that before. I have already turned my mom and sisters onto them. I actually literally have pieces in my room right now that I have for them that I know they're going to wear all summer long. Anything you get from Quince is going to look good. I literally have not gotten a single thing so far that I have had to return unless I was exchanging sizes because everything is flattering. I can't get over it. I won't shut up about it. You can scan the QR code on screen right now to shop. And don't forget, you get 365-day free shipping and returns. You heard that right. It's literally a whole year. If it doesn't work out, send it back. I'm going to be linking all the pieces that I wore in today's video down below for you for quick and easy shopping. I know because the brand told me that so many of you guys have already shopped at Quince because of these ads. And if you have, you're one of those people and you got something good, let me know down below because I love seeing that something that I have talked about actually resonates with you, that you have loved it, that you're getting pieces you enjoy. Thank you so much to Quince for sponsoring today's video. And without further ado, let's get back to soap making. Y'all, this soap, dare I say, this is one of the prettiest hive tops we've done all year. Like, I thought that whenever I first piped it out, but now seeing it the next day when all the colors have bloomed, please. It's going to take this silicone liner off. A lot of people have asked me where that silicone liner is from. It is from Brambleberry. And then you can get this size mold from Brambleberry and from 𝘵𝐸𝐶. Just going to place this on here, turn it on its side. That makes a cleaner cut. Line up all these embeds so that hopefully nobody gets cut. Okay, look, I placed them really well this time. It's because I turned the mold the right way. Cut the inside here, and this is what it looks like on the inside. So yeah, I'm sticking with what I said. This looks so good. That sort of floral, sort of a sweet, true nature floral. And now you can see all the colors on the inside too, just little wisps of it. Question of the day, what is your favorite flower? Mine is a flower I can't grow here in Texas, and that is a dinner plate dahlia. I love a dinner plate dahlia. I have other ones. I really, really like plumeria. There's a couple of weird ones whenever I went to Cambodia that I saw hanging out of trees. I'm not sure what they're called, but they are absolutely stunning. I don't know if we have them here, but they hang in like a long drip from the tree. It's super cool. Is this bar reminiscent of this entire bouquet? Yes, it is. This is my mother's favorite fragrance of the month. Just throwing that out there. A true floral. Smells so sweet. Smells so good. The colors are popping. I love everything about it. And yes, it's still in stock. So hooray! Also really loving the fact that this is such a detailed drop swirl. Sometimes when you make bigger batches of soap, it's a little bit harder to make such a detailed version of a drop swirl. But we got a lot of passes with this. And it just looks so good. I know this is going to vibrancy up your bathroom. And that's it, you guys. The entire Market Day collection is officially completed. What a fun one that was. And now we move on into the next collection. What is it? Well, the people who are signed up for our email newsletter already know. So if you want exclusive coupons to the Royalty Soaps website, if you want to stay up to date on all the latest Royalty Soaps news and launch dates, etc., sign up for our email newsletter. down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. So be sure you do something fun for yourself today, whether that is getting out all your fun summer things that have been locked up in your cold garage for winter, or maybe supporting a local flower farmer by buying a bouquet. You guys know I don't really care what you do, just do something for you, and I'll see you in the next one. So until then, bye for now.